Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'm going to show you 5 awesome trick shots that you can show around to your friends and how to do them. So first we're going to start off with a little setup shot. We're going to take the 8 ball, put it on the spot. We're going to make 4 balls in one shot with this one. Then we're going to take another ball, put it behind it. Make sure they are lined up dead straight with the pocket and they are in fact touching. Next, we are going to take our cue ball and 2 other balls. Cue ball, we want it just behind the line of the 2 side pockets and a little bit to the left of that 8 ball. Now, we're going to set 1 ball up here and another ball here, and they are both frozen to the cue ball and in line with the side pockets. So we're going to try to make the 1 and 3 in both the sides and the 9 and the 8 in the other 2 corners. So what you need to do is hit slightly below center on your cue ball, aim a little bit to the left of that 8 ball, and just like that, they all spread go into the pocket. So this is a real fun one. Show off to your friends when you're at like league night or something like that. It's pretty basic, so let's move on to a new trick shot. So this one I'm going to show you 2 in one shot. We're going to take the 1, the 3, and the 9. Pull them up here. Just like that. So they're in a straight line, slightly above the cut of the middle pocket. And then we're going to take this ball, line it up here. Make sure your Q-tip is to the right of that corner. So with this one, this is just a simple one. You can just make all 3 balls in one shot. But some people like to add this little effect. We're going to put these balls slightly to the left of the center of the middle pocket. So the center of the middle pocket a little bit to the left. We're going to line up this ball the same. Just like that. Then we're going to take another ball, like that. And then finally our last ball above that pocket. So right here what's going to happen is we are going to hit into the 6 ball, draw back and make the 5. 6 ball is going to hit the 8, deflect off of it into the middle pocket. 1 ball is also going in the middle pocket, 8's going in the corner, 3's going into the opposite corner. Just like that. So it's not too hard. Hardest part's maybe drawing back and making the 5, but once you get the feel for that, it should be good to go. So you can either do the 3 in one shot, you can eliminate the 5 ball and just hit the 6 into the 3, or you can hit all with the draw and the 5 ball. So here's a trick shot that can also be useful in games. So we're going to take the 8 ball, put it in that pocket. We're going to take our cue ball, freeze it to the rail anywhere. I put it usually at the 2nd diamond. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hit our cue ball with draw, backspin, off of this rail, and then it should curve back and make the 8. But to visualize the curve, we're going to add that 2 ball right there. So this shot is really just a feel shot. Depends on what table you're on. So you just got to hit it with draw. It's going to come around. It's going to make that curve and then come and hit that 8 ball. So it's just low spin. The slower you hit it, the quicker it's going to curve. The faster you hit it, the slower it's going to curve because it has so much momentum. That curve really doesn't even happen when you hit it too fast. But that is a fun shot that also comes up in a few games. Now this shot is a little bit of like a double dip shot. So we're going to take ball, put it on the spot. Then again we're going to line it up towards that corner. We're doing that split shot again. Now line this ball up into the corner. Just like that. Then we're going to take 2 balls, put them in the mouth of the pocket, almost falling into the pocket, as close as you can get it without it falling into the pocket, and also close to the short rail. That's important. Short rail. Just like that. So then you can set this up. Instead of making that split shot 2 and 1, you make 4 and 1. And then if you add that effect to the first shot I showed you, where you add the 2 into the side too, then you can make 6 in 1 shot. Or if you add it to the butterfly shot, everyone knows the butterfly in all 4 corners, then you can make 10 in 1 shot. But the shot I'm about to show you is what I've been saving up. The shot I'm about to show you is called the Titanic. And here it is. So this last shot is called the Titanic, and that is named perfectly because it is the Titanic of pool trick shots. So we're going to make 12 balls in 1 shot. If you make 11, you're doing pretty good. It's real tough to make all of them. Earl Strickland shoots this in his shows, and he really never makes all of them. So I'm mainly just showing you the setup of this shot, since it is very difficult to make. I'm going to try to make it for you guys. No telling how many I'll actually make. So we're setting up the butterfly shot now. This one is pretty classic. If you are watching this video, you probably know how to set up the butterfly. So I'm just going to try to do this as fast as I can, while still doing it accurately. There you go. And then one more ball after this one. Alright, now I'm going to kind of speed through. Whoops. We're going to have to double check that 13. Since I bumped the 1 with my cue. Just going to double check that 13 ball real quick. Okay. Kind of speed through this part. Take 2 balls, slightly above the middle pocket. They're frozen, straight in line with that corner. Just like that. Same thing on this side. Okay, I'm going to take our cue ball, put it directly in the center of that butterfly. Going to take a ball, put it in line to where it clips the left side of that 12 ball. And then this ball, the 9 ball, where it's going to clip the right side of that 6 ball. Make sure everything is touching. If one ball is touching and one ball isn't, you're not going to make them. Okay, this is the setup. This is what I really wanted to show you, because I know how hard it is to make all of them. You need a lot of luck. You need balls to get out of each other's way. And sometimes that just doesn't happen. But I believe I've set it up correctly. You gotta aim like you're just making that butterfly. Okay, honestly, I'll take it. We got 2 balls hanging in the sides. I'm not sure how that one ball didn't go in. I wasn't watching it. But this is an incredibly difficult shot. I was going to say that. It's incredibly difficult. You cannot make all of them all the time, just because they get in each other's way. But that's the setup. Take it, run with it. Send me a video of you making it. Comment if you made it in the comments section. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. Thank you guys so much for 59,300 subscribers. Hopefully we can hit 60,000 soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.